where we talk about corporate, where we talk about social, where we talk about responsibility. But today we are touching one of the major topic, that is mental health. Thank you so much, Shruti, for being here and being a savior to people who have been struggling with their mental health.
It's my pleasure.
So people have forgotten the real coach. अभी ऐसा होगा कि आप Google या ChatGPT आपका कोच बनते जा रहा है. So that's the reason we wanted you to be here to talk about it.
I'll be very honest with you. ठीक है, my Instagram page is doing well and everything. But out of those people, I'm telling you, 75% of the crowd is on that page thinking, अरे लड़की सेक्स में बात करना.
And ये सब mental health की बातें ना मुझे लगता है urban cities में हो रही है. Tribal में they don't even know what they are suffering from.
We don't even want to know. The problem is that.
Jai Hind everyone, this is Dr. Chinu Kawatra and today we are on the next episode of CSR Talks with Chinu Kawatra, where we talk about corporate, where we talk about social, where we talk about responsibility. But today we are touching one of the major topic, that is mental health. The reason is because yours and mine mental health is in a very different situation, very difficult situation, and we don't know the solution. Where a mental health is not considered as a social responsibility. It's just an indoor activity. It's just an awareness activity. It's just a photo op activity. But real mental health में कितने लोगों की धज्जियां उड़ रही है वो सिर्फ हमको पता है. And today with me to talk about mental health is there my very good friend, very amazing human being whom I've been watching since almost a year or so. So very good friend who I have been following since almost a year now. A darling to me and many other people right now who have been talking about mental health, saving their lives and saving the journey of people. Thank you so much, Shruti, for being here and being a savior to people who have been struggling with their mental health.
It's my pleasure. Thank you for having me.
You are such an amazing and a sweetheart personality that people really want to listen to you. Not only listen, but only understand what you say. The reason for this podcast was as simple as that. I have gone through mental health, depression.
All have.
You have gone through it. Every second person watching this is going through it. Everybody, in fact. Everybody who is watching this is going through it. So that's the reason I wanted you to be here to talk about it. Because मैं तो बोलते रहूँगा और लोग भी बोलते रहते हैं, but लोगों को तब समझता है जब कोई और आके, स्पेशली अ कोच, मेंटल हेल्थ कोच. आजकल हमें आदत हो गई है गूगल को हमारे कोच बनाने की.
Chat GPT मत भूलो.
AI को, Chat GPT को हमारा कोच बनाने की. So people have forgotten the real coach. अभी ऐसा होगा कि आप Google या Chat GPT आपका कोच बनते जा रहा है. So that's the reason we wanted you to be here to talk about it. Before anything else, please introduce us about yourself. Okay, what do you do in this in the decades journey? ये बहुत छोटी दिखती है, but she is 43 years old. But her experiences speaks. So लोग जब बोलते हैं ना कि हम बूढ़े हो रहे हैं या हम ये हो रहे हैं हम वो हो रहे हैं, it's not about that. Age is just a number. The experience is the huge change maker in your life. So she is coming here with the experience to talk about mental health today. Yes, Shruti, over to you. Tell me something about yourself, not in an interview format.
वो तो मुझसे हो भी नहीं पाएगा, you know that.
Yeah.
So to be honest, as a life coach, my journey is only 3 years old.
Okay.
And I am a life coach for relationship, intimacy, and self-love empowerment.
Right.
Right?
Which is missing nowadays.
Oof, it's gone.
Yeah.
That's why we're running around seeking love from outside, correct?
Yeah, right.
So my journey started 3 years ago, not as a life coach, but when I went to a life coach first.
Oh.
Yeah. So in 2022 February, I remember I had my last breakup. I was in a relationship for 9 months. And I knew I'm doing something wrong. एक pattern form हो रहा था over a period of time.
Right.
And I knew it. And I've been thinking, क्या कर रही हूँ? And then my friend suggested, why don't you seek help? And I said, for sure, what do I need to do? He said, go to a therapist. I said, yes, I need to go to a therapist. So we reached out to her friend's therapist, who's apparently very good. She's from Boston. That's where my journey started of first understanding my own patterns and mistakes. So, my entire life, I have been walking around like this snooty, entitled girl thinking अरे मैं इतनी अच्छी हूँ, मैंने क्या किया है किसी का, why is this happening to me? That's what's happening. Everybody is living in the victim mentality.
Right.
आज मुझे उससे निकलना है. And when I went to a coach, I realized यार मेरे patterns थे. I was making mistakes.
Right.
I had put myself in the well, not realizing I had done it time and time again, because I didn't know it was a pattern. That's when, so I have been in the inner work healing since 2022. But last year, March, is when I met a friend, and he was in Bali for a retreat.
Right.
And he randomly said, Shruti, I had this most amazing conversation with this life coach. And she's a life coach for relationship and intimacy. Bro, I don't know, koi batti jal. And I was like, dude, this is so impactful, because I'll be very honest, for the outside world, no, nobody can think these ki koi complaints honge. Very blessed with my childhood and everything that I got.
Right.
But I never had a voice because of the patriarchal society, the men having the power, you know, and a few narcissists around me, to be very honest. Fact.
Right.
तो उसके कारण मैं थोड़ी सी लॉस्ट हो रही थी कि यार चल क्या रहा है मेरी लाइफ में. तो because relationship is the only space where I knew I'm struggling.
Right.
So I wanted to pick that as a subject, because I learned so much about myself in that. So that's how the journey happened, and then I approached Mind Valley and started the certification.
Lovely, yaar. It's so beautiful. And usually what I have seen in this journey is that people are, with their experience, they talk, but they never think about studying about it. The education is also important to understand what you are saying to people is going in the right sense or not.
How to be a coach.
Right, how to be a coach.
There are tips and tricks.
I have seen people just doing some sustainable work are calling them as a sustainable influencer. But I would want there should be a course for being a sustainable influencer, a course for being any of the influencer, because in the long run, right, we can be dependent only on the people who are certified.
So true, yeah.
Right? So I am sure that when there is a mental health issue, हमारे घर वाले आज भी बोलते हैं तू ओवरथिंक कर रहा है, तू
It's not taken seriously.
तेरे को डॉक्टर के पास जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, तेरे को ये सब क्या, तू पागल हो गया.
हाँ, तो पागल हो गया क्या?
This is the thing it comes to mental है क्या, तुझे ये सब चीजों की जरूरत है. तो दोस्त यार जाने नहीं देते. I'm glad that you had so amazing friends who pushed you towards.
And my family.
Definitely.
Because my family has seen me struggle for 20 years in relationships.
Right.
And they were like, okay, we agree kuch gadbad, and if we are not able to solve it, and if you are not able to solve it, it's okay to seek help from outside.
Right.
So I got a lot of support also. And intimacy is such a sensitive subject, yeah. Because intimacy...
It's a taboo in India, right?
Because no, you know why is it a taboo? So, you know, the problem is, लोगों को लगता है intimacy is only sexual.
Exactly.
The problem is that intimacy is four.
Right.
There is sexual, there is intelligent, there is emotional, there is spiritual. ये चारों को मिला के एक wholesome intimacy space बनती है.
Right.
With your partner.
Right.
That is missing. Why are so? I'll be very honest with you. ठीक है, my Instagram page is doing well and everything. But out of those people, I'm telling you, 75% of the crowd is on that page thinking, अरे लड़की sex में बात करने वाली है. मुझे पता नहीं है.
Honestly, I'll tell you. Today
I know how this works.
Today I was shooting this podcast with you. Yesterday I went to your reels. Couple of reels. And I saw the comments. Because I wanted to talk about this here. कि जब मैं comment पढ़ रहा हूँ, people are so desperate. The moment they hear the word sex, they go high.
I know.
They go high and they can't even sustain their highness for 2 minutes. Honestly.
So
the men who are listening to this, definitely they show their manhood by saying that they are the superior and everything. You won't sustain for 2 minutes. And then how come you come to the comment section? Who gave you the right to comment to the comment section of a girl who is educating people to talk shit about it? I actually was blasted on this
so much.
Yesterday. I wanted to have a conversation this heart to heart, but I never knew that ke camera mein bolunga, because it is very much necessary to people to understand their own responsibility. And
sorry to cut you off.
Yeah.
But when you say your own responsibility,
right,
it's about first accepting.
Right.
I'm doing something wrong, maybe.
Right.
एक maybe डाल दो उसमें यार. If you
Good.
want to
Yeah.
not break your ego completely, put a maybe.
Hmm.
And it's okay, maybe I'm doing something wrong. What's wrong with just finding out a
Right.
little bit more about this?
Right.
क्या हो जाएगा? Education ही तो मिलेगी.
नहीं चाहिए ना लोगों को, नहीं चाहिए वो. So इसके साथ साथ ना since I work in a corporate sector
Yeah.
a lot, you have worked with
Oof.
corporates a lot.
17 years.
Wow, 17 years. मैंने 3 साल corporate sector में काम किया, but आज भी मैं corporate sector के साथ उतना ही जुड़ा हूँ. मुझे लगता है मैं उसी कंपनी के लिए काम कर रहा हूँ कभी कभार.
Wow.
When we are in the NGO sector and social impact sector, I want to know, do you feel in 2025 the corporate has taken mental health awareness as a priority in their sector, and if not, then how they can integrate that?
Yes. So I'll be very honest.
हाँ.
Corporates को I think 2-3 साल पहले तक only the really big multinationals
Right.
were trying to do some things in this space.
Right.
वो भी impactful नहीं था.
Hmm.
It was like sending emails and saying, "Acha, please attend this workshop we've arranged for you."
Hmm.
It wasn't really spoken about because the people who are also creating this program
Hmm.
have not got the coaching to know
Exactly.
exactly what to do.
Right.
वो यहाँ से वहाँ से information लेके बस डाल रहे हैं,
Hmm.
but where is their understanding coming from? Where is their education coming from? So someone needs to come as a coach at a leadership level also
Hmm.
to guide them on what needs to be done in the
Hmm.
company
Hmm.
to make it a part of your corporate. So the CSR program that you're talking about, somebody needs to come
Right.
in and coach them, the guys who are creating these programs,
Right.
on what needs to be done for better employees'
Right.
mental health. Because at the end of the day, your employees are going to impact your productivity of your company.
Right.
It's so simple, the quality of work you're giving, right? Like I have been in the corporate, as you said, like 17 साल से थी. I just quit my job a month ago.
Wow.
Just a month ago.
Wow.
15th July was my
Kudos
last
to your
day.
guts. Kudos to your guts.
But that is also, I got lucky
Definitely.
that my work was so impactful. People were understanding. And क्यों understand कर रहे हैं Chinu?
It was not. I won't give all the credit to luck, because it was actually your hard work to come out and speak about it, even after taking the shit from the people.
I
Right.
still get.
So 3 years down the line, when you started talking about it, people were actually not appreciating the fact are the people who are clapping for you now. So
Literally.
that's the reason
My
you're
own mother, Chinu,
Huh.
imagine I'm from a Marwari background,
oh
which is so orthodox.
right.
My mom
Understood.
sees my every reel.
Hmm.
When I'm talking about intimacy, I'm talking about
Hmm.
PE.
Hmm.
I'm talking about wholesome sexual intimacy spaces, and she's loving it and she's encouraging me. Everybody in my family, you know what I'm saying? Because they understand the pain. Now they know that they have also gone through it.
Definitely.
But they weren't able to voice it.
What is the biggest challenge you have faced in implementing these mental health wellness projects or awareness sessions or education in the life of people?
So 2 challenges.
Hmm.
Number 1 is money.
Right.
Like
लोगों को
how-
लगता है पैसा नहीं लगता ना इसमें.
नहीं लोगों को लगता है ये वर्थ इट नहीं है पैसा देना.
अच्छा.
पैसा आज की तारीख में काफी लोगों के पास है. And not all coaches are very expensive.
Hmm.
The problem is they don't think it's worthy enough to pay for. उनको क्या लगता है चलो जिम जाओ, फिजिकल हेल्थ बनाओ, मैं ठीक हो
सब ठीक हो
जाऊंगा.
जाएगा.
मेंटल हेल्थ से नहीं समझ रहा आपके गट इश्यूज हो रहे हैं, आपके डिजीजेस हो रहे हैं, उसमें पैसे नहीं डालेंगे. हम जिम जाके डोले शोले बना के दुनिया को दिखाएंगे कि हम कितने फिट है.
Right.
What about your mental peace? Nobody wants to invest in that. Number 1, this is the generic public, the one-on-one people that I'm talking about. Even company-wise in CSR, they're not removing budgets separately
Right.
for this space. It has to come from top down.
True.
Because at the lower level, the guys can't afford this, right? The
Right.
company needs to pay. चलो आपके पास बहुत ज़्यादा पैसे भी नहीं है, to put a little segment aside for senior leadership training. How they need to be with their employees.
Right.
Teach them empathy. Teach them how to know if their employee is going through a burnout.
Hmm.
If someone has passed away in their house.
Hmm.
So some companies have amazing policies of giving grievance leaves and all of that. But what about mental health? आपने leave तो दे दिया and you've supported and it's beautiful.
Hmm.
उसके बाद क्या?
Well, this is one thing I feel it's a biggest challenge since long time now. People really don't understand what is going in the opposite person's mind.
Yeah.
It's very difficult also to judge them. It is difficult. What is the in terms of coaching, right? You must have got many cases in front of you and everything. So what is one or two biggest
I get it.
difficult
So
case kind of
loneliness,
thing?
loneliness
Huh.
and seeking validation.
Okay.
These two are bacteria that is eating you from inside. Bacteria eats, right?
कुछ तो डैमेज तो कर रहा है ना भाई.
कुछ तो कर रहा है,
कुछ
correct?
भी कर रहा हो, डैमेज तो कर रहा है ना. It is
Correct.
like a virus which has gone into your body and
Correct,
is
and
killing
it's
you
eating
inside.
you from inside. Loneliness, people being married, they're lonely. People single are lonely. So imagine.
Can you tell me the real meaning of loneliness? Because in terms, many people say lonely, but उनको समझ नहीं आता कि कैसे lonely है, right?
Understood. Again, उसमें we will catch self-love
Right.
and
Mandatory,
validation.
yes.
Everything comes down to, I swear on God, self-love is the core, is the root which you need to work on. Once you have self-love, आपका loneliness seeking, validation seeking जो pattern है वो सब चला जाएगा. And what I mean by loneliness, to answer your question, is say अभी मैं मेरे घर से आई हूँ. I stay alone in my house. I have a maid who helps me and everything, but वो भी छुट्टी बाई है, आती है जाती है. I'm literally staying alone. Chino, I've never lived like this, even alone, I'm saying. But I don't feel lonely because I went through the inner work of understanding that nobody, I don't want to depend on anybody. The dependency is what creates loneliness.
Right.
For example, you're living as a couple also. कितनी बार होता है couples are suffering, they're going through so much shit. But they're lonely. एक बिस्तर पे सो रहे हैं. But they're lonely.
Still lonely.
They don't feel heard. They don't feel seen by someone. It's about working in yourself कि आपको किसी के outside की validation की जरूरत नहीं है. Yes, you need to be touched, you need to be hugged, but your nervous system needs to be calm. That only you can do yourself when you stop the noise from outside. That ये ही मुझे validation देंगे. खुद से लो यार validation. That is the inner work, and that is where I come in. That's what I teach, tips and tricks. Make them believe in themselves again. Because everybody is an amazing human being.
True.
Even the person who murdered someone, agree, he's in jail. I'll go to jail and ask him what happened, bro.
Okay, bro.
You know what I mean? Like, you weren't born with that trait. So everybody is born a good human being. Something twisted in their life and shit happens. So it's about going down there and removing that from the root and showing them that they're good people again. I
am actually speechless. It's so beautiful to feel that, understand that, and when you are coaching people and loneliness, yes, we call this word, we have used this word so commonly that we are feeling lonely. There are songs on this this word, but this is a very deep word if people need to understand. भीड़ में खड़े होके अगर आपने lonely feel कर रहे हो, so you need a coach, brother. Exactly. You need a coach because I don't want people to end their life with this part because many have been doing this. So true. Right, left, and center. People want to kill them just to feel, just to ease their pain. उनको लगता है कि उन्होंने pain ease कर दिया, but they have left so much pain in their families now after doing this step. So यहाँ पे एक बात बोलूँ? हाँ जी. Because you spoke about song. There's a song by Maroon 5 called Memories. Here's to the ones that we lost. Correct? Yes. अब लोग उसको sadness में सुनते हैं. You've seen it in a reel. I've made a song. Yeah. People hear this song out of sadness. Why? Because people forget about the good times you've shared. Exactly. I'm saying, think about how lucky were you, how grateful were you. Be in gratitude कि चलो, they're gone, but I got to feel this way with that person. Find gratitude and even an hour of spending time with someone. Right. You know, even if you don't know with the next hour that person is alive or not. You are alive. You are alive or not, or that person is alive or not. Yeah. Exactly my point. So. Whoa, super deep. I am loving this conversation. For me, it's more of a podcast. More than a podcast, it's an self-awakening and again a push to myself in love, in terms of self-love. Because when I say it to people, somehow I want to be also said. Of course. Right. Exactly. It's said that the teachers need a teacher to the. I still have a life coach. Right. I go to her once a month. Right. And I think she stays till the day I can die. Like. Wow. Because for me, mental health is, as I said, going to the gym. Right. आप muscles बना रहे हो. ये muscles ही अंदर. They just have to be. You have to work on it. So it's very important to work on your mental health. Work on your body, but working on your mental health is super duper important. So what's your current state of or current thought about the today's mental health awareness situation. So when we talk about 2020 or 2000 or 90s or 80s, there was no mental health. There was no topic like mental health. I'm sure there
नहीं,
were
तब
people.
तो पता भी नहीं था they are having a mental health problem. वो तब सोशल मीडिया के कारण, हम जैसे कोचेस के कारण आके हम बता रहे हैं कि
Right.
this is why you're and I've never used the word depression, by the way,
Hmm.
because I don't think it's depression. It's sadness. Sadness from not being able to accept that something happened in your life.
Hmm.
The day you accept it and go take help from someone who makes you understand what happened, what are the positives of it, how do you take it forward, तब जाके सीन बनता है यार. Sorry, but it's a fact.
No, definitely, yaar. I also feel always that in today's generation, the acceptance is not there. It's very because we have a lot of options with us right now. So हमें acceptance वाली feeling खत्म हो चुकी है कि ये अगर इंसान मेरे साथ है, अगर ये situation मेरे साथ हुई है, तो why not accept that?
It's okay to grieve.
Yeah,
I'm not
obviously,
saying don't grieve.
obviously.
But again, look at it in a positive way ना, वो grief को कैसे gratitude में बदलना है. You know,
So क्या डिफरेंस आपको दिख रहा है लास्ट, अगर आप एक डिकेड के पहले बात करो, अभी डिकेड के बात करो, and in future what you see in terms of mental health awareness, where we are going right now?
Yeah, it's still bleak. I'll be very honest. Because at the end of the day, one-on-one sessions are great and they're very impactful. But I need groups to listen to.
Right.
You need motivational speakers who are talking about their deepest, darkest stories, which will eventually impact the masses, right? And that's where my page comes in. That's why I'm doing so well, क्योंकि मैंने मेरे पेज पे एक चीज सच्चाई बताई है of things where I have made mistakes. You know, I've accepted my truth that yes, I use sex to get men for validation because मुझे बचपन में बोला था तुम काली हो, तुम सुंदर नहीं हो. And that was my pattern. So I was like, I'll go find the hottest guy and watch now. But that man had no depth. He had no family values. He was nothing. It's true. Childhood traumas are true. Whatever you're taught as a child, it will come and impact your life.
Definitely.
So now I know better because I went to my coach and I was struggling till 2021. I was like, why am I choosing these men? बहुत सुंदर है लेकिन यार ध्यान नहीं रख रहे मेरा. I'm not feeling loved or cared for, and it's just a one-way street, and all I'm giving them in return is sexual intimacy.
Right.
And I'm losing me in that. So this is one pattern out of so many, right? So you have to start speaking your truth. आप मेरे पेज का bio भी देखोगे ना चीनू. It says this page will trigger you to do better by speaking your truth.
Right.
I need people, every time you're triggered, this word triggered is also very important. Every time you're triggered, that means कुछ hit हुआ है आपको.
Definitely.
So you need to work on that and understand your trigger कहाँ से है.
So, Shruti, people who are listening to this, and definitely there are many youth who are coming and talking about this issue. They
Gen
want to.
Z तो यार यहीं पे this is my another big challenge with corporates. The corporates today at the senior level are being run by millennials.
Right.
Fact. ये नए आ रहे हैं Gen Z, अब आ रहा है Alpha. हम millennials को समझ भी है क्या चल रहा है उनके दिमाग में. Do we even understand an iota of where this generation is coming from? Has the corporate world made an F? Because at the end of the day, these kids are being employed by you to do better in your company.
Right.
But if you don't know these kids, it's a completely different generation. So that's where the millennials need to be spoken to by coaches and guide them on how to handle these kids.
Definitely, yes.
You understanding my point?
Yes.
Because eventually सबका mental health खराब हो जाएगा. Gen Z को millennial नहीं समझ रहा है, Gen Z को Gen Alpha नहीं समझ रहा है. It's gonna be a very toxic cycle to live in. Corporates need to wake up to this fact.
No, that's the reason I suppose there is this retention problem in the corporate happening. People are leaving job left, right, center.
Kids especially are.
Yeah. The newly joinee, they feel that
they're annoyed half the time. These kids are just unhappy half the time. Oh my God, ये कर दिया. Oh my God, ये हो गया. Oh God, this presentation. I'm not saying all, but a lot of them.
No, it's definitely the less of, as I said, that less of acceptance and the patience.
Yeah, patience. I love you said that. Patience is also such a big factor in mental health.
Definitely. Patience is one of the I feel important
Yeah.
key in someone's life, because without that you cannot. I don't see anywhere we are going.
Consistency नहीं होगी ना.
नहीं होगी, कैसे होगी?
हाँ.
So if people, if supposingly I want to be a coach, or I work with a lot of children in colleges and everything, they want to be a coach, especially in this genre. What is the most important skill that human should have, except the
You
educational
mean human
qualities?
skills?
Yeah, human skill. That
Empathy.
this is the second podcast. I
Empathy
feel,
is missing everywhere today.
yeah, true.
What
This
were you
is-
saying? Sorry, second.
I will.
podcast?
This is the second podcast. I got the same answer.
Really.
Empathy. Because one of my friends, Sanchita, she came up to talk about her corporate efforts and her corporate journey in social sectors. She also told that one simple skill is needed as empathy. That is, and why empathy?
What do you define empathy as? What do you think empathy? Fuck definition. Sorry.
No, it's okay.
Leave definition aside.
Huh.
What do you think empathy is? Being able to put yourself
Yeah, kind
in
of.
someone else's shoe, feel their
Understanding
emotion,
that person, feeling that person.
even if you don't entirely, as
Yeah.
a human being, right?
It is always necessary. See, if you ask me, I will always put myself in his journey and think about him, and I would judge. So for me, empathy is that I won't judge that person,
Correct.
even if that the way you said that कि जो murder करके भी जेल में है, when I say that कि universe is taking care of everything, it is because of his mistake. He has been there. He's getting his suffering,
Correct.
but there should be something which has triggered him so badly that he took that step.
Correct.
Right? So I never and ever think or go lose my patience until and unless I understand that person's journey through me, that अगर मैं उसकी जगह पे होता
Exactly.
तो मैं क्या कर रहा होता. और इसके लिए ना आज की यूथ के ऊपर I also tend to get I see that impatience-ness, non-acceptance-ness, then I feel bad. They don't want to give. You have given 3 years to mental health industry. It's a rule. 1,000 days, if you give it to something, it will bloom. It will grow.
And
It will.
I see it now.
Yeah, and that's the rule which I suppose the youngsters don't want to follow. They want 10 days.
Instant gratification.
अरे उनको हर चीज 10 दिन के अंदर चाहिए. उनको प्यार भी 10 दिन के अंदर चाहिए, ब्रेकअप भी 10 दिन के अंदर चाहिए. उनको 10 दिन के प्यार में मेकआउट भी 10 दिन के अंदर ही चाहिए. एंड देन उनको झगड़े भी चाहिए. देन उनको दूसरी गर्लफ्रेंड भी 10 दिन के बाद ढूंढनी है. दे वांट एवरीथिंग क्विक, which is not.
Or they will not step out of the house. They're
हाँ.
also very extreme, by the way.
Yeah,
Balance ही
definitely.
नहीं है.
Balance नहीं
Either quickly चाहिए, नहीं तो मैं चाहिए नहीं.
चाहिए नहीं.
They don't want to work on anything. Give it
No.
time, energy, love.
No, couple of days back I read this somewhere that India में divorce rate has crossed multiple time. The people are preferring to be single rather being getting shadi and doing divorce. We have seen cases where wife is murdering husbands right, left, center, and
गजब.
and अभी वो ऐसा लगता है कि यार जिंदा रहना तो शादी नहीं करनी. Honestly, वो feeling आ चुकी है. For me, तो I have
Really?
got that feeling that I don't want to remarry myself. I want to love, but I am not feeling to get married until and unless I feel safe in that
But
space.
why are you? So then you're okay to still be in a relationship. You're
हाँ, हाँ.
scared of marriage.
Yes.
What happened? Like, why are you scared of getting? Was it being stuck?
Those-
Alimony? What was it?
A lot of things coming together. It was blackmail, it was abusive, it was mental health trauma.
But वो तो relationship में भी हो सकता है.
हाँ, but
I'm
Uh,
saying, how is marriage different?
I feel, according to me, the moment you get that tag, suddenly everything's changed. The mindset change, ये मेरा responsibility, मैं इसकी responsibility हूँ. अगर imagine, I'm not quoting anyone here. Inside the house, you're a different personality.
Yeah.
The moment you go outside the house, you're a different personality.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
That is something which I cannot
I
take.
agree.
I cannot take that.
I agree.
You keep
It's about
shouting.
being stuck, no?
You keep shouting about feminism
Oh,
outside the
it's
door.
taken very bad.
The moment you are inside the door, तू मर्द है, तू ध्यान रख,
And
तू देख ले, तू ये कर ले, तू वो कर ले, तेरे को मेरा ख्याल रखना चाहिए. That is where things
I
are going
get it.
wrong, and that has gone wrong with me also. And what I feel that after whatever has happened me in the past, 2 breakups, 1 divorce, 1 person not there in the life anymore, she's in the heaven.
I'm sorry.
I have seen that maybe I'm also in fault. I'm not denying that I'm not in fault. Earlier days I was in fault. I know that. But with time, I'm also learning. I'm also understanding what is the need of a woman, what she expects from me. But when things go beyond your self-respect, beyond your self-love,
Love. I was just
self-love, these two things के ऊपर अगर चीजें चली जाती है ना, so it is not a
It's not worth
relationship.
it.
It is not worth
One life.
Definitely.
I tell this to people all the time. One life.
Right.
And आप सोचो आप उसी with that pain and the traumas, you're coming to work every day.
Right. Obviously.
It's going to impact your work. It's going to impact your productivity.
No, people, yesterday there was again something which was out. There are extramarital having affairs happening at the maximum rate in the corporates. ठीक है? There's a divorce rates are going high.
I'm from the corporate. I've seen it.
Yeah,
I've seen it firsthand. It is madness. The only advantage the corporate company has is that they have the HR protocols in place around sexual harassment. I'll tell you on this. मेरे साथ हुआ है.
Oh.
I won't mention too much, but ये 8-10 साल की पहले की बात है. I was working for an ex company, and वहाँ पर this man really misbehaved horribly with me on a work trip.
Okay.
And in 2 days, the company removed him, which was amazing because the protocols are so high. So that way, the companies are they're really taking care of the employees. But after that, what about my mental health? I didn't want to come back to work. Nobody did anything after that. And I didn't have that understanding at that time. But मुझे दिन चले जाते थे, I couldn't get myself to get up from bed and come to work. Because this happened. Now imagine if a company had handled that beautifully. Chalo, if one-on-one coaching bhi nahi di, which I think should be important in such extreme cases, even if you've had coaches like us come and give some tips and tricks on how to handle everyday morning, how do you get up with a better smile, with more energy, with more positivity. What's wrong with that? Group sessions kar lo. I'm just saying, because I know I personally suffered being in the corporate with this space. In that one incident I'm talking about.
Right.
But say my dad passed away 2.5 years ago. The company gave me the grievance leave and everything, and that was beautiful. I'm really grateful. But uske baad kya? What if I don't have the money to handle my coaching because I'm at a junior level? What if I don't have the money to pay a coach for one-on-one? I'm saying such extreme cases and all, you need coaches, yaar. I'm not even selling myself. It's the need of the hour.
Right.
लोगों की तबीयत खराब हो रही है. They've lost themselves. 15 घंटे काम कर रहे हैं लोग कंपनी में.
True.
With 3 hours of productivity. Fact.
True. Fact है.
और वो क्यों कर रहे हैं? Because बाकी के जो घंटे हैं, they want to be away from home and away from private life. But यहाँ पर भी इतनी I'm not saying everybody,
right,
but a lot of people. So
right,
it's managed horribly. Is when we come into place, we will manage it for you. We'll guide you on what needs to be done.
So, see, CSR, the corporate social responsibility of a company. So the CSR, the corporate social responsibility of a company, has the thematic areas: education, environment, women empowerment, skill development, sports. These are some of the major areas where corporate work. Don't you feel that mental health should be also a biggest thematic area in corporate social responsibility also?
Obviously no. That's why I'm sitting here. Obviously. You look at women, like you spoke about women empowerment.
Right.
It's all great to do that. What about women who are getting older and they're going through menopause and perimenopause? These are senior level women now. आप उनका क्या ध्यान रख रहे हो? Because that is going to again impact.
वो तो beneficiary category
women with
में नहीं
kids,
आते.
women with kids today. आप सोचो what they're going through.
Early mothers, yeah. So when we talk about, honestly, when we talk about women empowerment, ना, people only talk about कि हमने उनको sanitary pad दे दिया and we have empowered a woman.
Yeah.
But somehow that is not women empowerment. I feel so.
It's not. I know people will think that I'm saying this because I'm a woman, but believe me, women need to be taken more care in corporate with their mental health compared to men. I'm not saying लड़कों का नहीं ध्यान रखना है, but women के hormonal बहुत है issues with their menopause, with after giving birth to their child, with age and everything. Education ही नहीं है senior level पे. Even if they understand, no, if they take a moment to understand exactly what is going on in a woman's life cycle, they will know how important it is and how minuscule the money is compared to the impact it's going to have. Where, as you rightly said, retention of employees, health of employees, happiness. At the end of the day, it's the productivity of the company. Yeah.
True. With this, I want to ask, since I run an NGO, ठीक है? I have gone through a lot of mental health trauma in my life also, where I speak to people that first thing you need to do is communicate.
Correct.
That's the only thing you need to do.
Verbalizing,
just
man.
communicate.
So true.
ठीक है? I always related my mental health with some of the other movies and everything. But as an NGO, or like me, there are many NGOs in this country. What is the thing they can do in mental health space? How can they start a project? Especially why I am telling you this. I am working with a very, very, very underprivileged section, tribal section of the society, where there are children, tribal women, tribal men.
Wow.
And ये सब mental health की बातें ना मुझे लगता है urban cities में हो रही है. Tribal में they don't even know what they are suffering from.
They don't even want to know. The problem is that.
Yeah, true.
In
That
some
can
way,
be.
I'm saying in tier 3 tribal areas, they don't even want to know because they don't want people to know so much. They're very comfortable in the way things are going, and they don't care that others are uncomfortable.
Right. So my question was basically,
but in the urban, what can we do?
What can we do in tribal areas, kind of thing? How can we how can we design a project, or what can be a project of to be implemented in the tribal areas related?
So I think related to tribals, as a coach, I would sincerely suggest to break down the age groups. Different age groups have different needs of mental health.
True.
वही जो 14-15 साल के बच्चे हैं, they will need more understanding on how to handle social media, how to handle the curiosity around their sexual, genitals and whatever emotions they're going through.
True.
That is the training they will need. Similarly, someone in their 30s would need training on how to have a more stable life right now with what I have, and how to have a better tomorrow.
Right.
Correct? Similarly, people in their 50s and 60s who've already lived their life, they want a much calmer space where they just feel loved and nourished and taken care of, and tell them it's okay for whatever life you've lived. It was not your fault. Tab capability hi itni thi society ki to understand. People just want to be heard and seen, especially at an older age. They don't want to be told, "Aapne ye galat kiya, wo galat kiya." They've done that. They've suffered already. So I think every age group needs a different form of coach. Like, I come from a space of just relationship intimacy and self-love. I won't be the right coach for the aged people, right? The senior citizens. Wahan pe koi aur aayenge. So you all need to pick and choose and divide it. Age is mostly the biggest factor on how you can do this.
Amazing, yaar. Amazing. I am so blown up with today's conversation that I have got certain ideas to implement some projects in space of mental health, where I want you to travel with us to the travel.
And by the way, this is something that this is where, coaches also need to handle their shit with finances. These are things you do for free. You don't ask for money for working for NGOs like that. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
That is an additional love you're giving back to the society.
Right.
We get paid from our clients. I can get paid to be a motivational speaker or being called by the corporates and all that because I know my worth. I know I deserve money also for the work I'm doing. But yahan par coaches need to be a little careful on the financial part.
True.
And take care. So, dude, I'm so happy too. Because I have hardly been in tribal areas myself.
No, definitely.
Born and raised in Bombay, I'm such an urban girl.
I'll definitely take you to the travel place where you will feel different there. Because the children, the vibes, the things are totally different. And you feel very connected to the nature. And that's the reason you feel that vibe. Grounding. So we are back with our next round, that is rapid fire round, where we talk about mental health today. But Shruti will be giving a prompt answer to our questions. Ready for it, Shruti?
Yes.
So, what is the favorite mental health wellness habit?
every day that I do?
Yeah.
I do a chakra guided meditation of grounding and aligning my chakras. It really helps me.
So if you want to learn chakra, please get in touch with Shruti. I will be getting in touch with her because I want to learn that now. One mental health wellness initiative you would implement in a corporate if you had an opportunity.
I think more education on sexual intimacy that is
Right.
missing. A lot of coaches are out there talking about empowering yourselves, finding motivation and all. Sexual intimacy is so taboo. Not many people are coming forward and really talking about it.
Hmm.
And in my journey, I have seen the best and the worst, honest to God.
Right.
So I come from a place with experience
Hmm.
in a way that I can only explain when I'm in that session where I give live examples of things I have seen and how we can do better, or I could have done better, and I can do better still. So
Lovely, yeah. So, what is the best way to engage employees in the mental health awareness campaigns?
I think they need to verbalize and communicate more, especially employees. They can go to their senior managers and have these discussions openly, what they really need,
Right.
the need of the hour. Go to the HR and talk to them.
Hmm.
Number two, I think they need to check the credibility also
True.
of who the coaches are, whom are they referring to, what kind of social medias they're seeing. It's so important. There's so much smack out there on social media around this space. It's laughable sometimes, and it's very painful for me as a legit life coach.
Right.
It really hurts me to see that. And of course, sharing these reels. Guys, I mean, I've not really spoken to y'all, but please share these reels with your loved ones, with your employees, your managers. Tell them how important mental health is for your benefit, their benefit, company's productivity. It's so missing. It's so sad.
And what is the most pressing social issue that's need attention?
Sexual intimacy.
For sure.
For
For
sure.
sure.
Because around this so much, yeah. I'll give you an example. Like since I started the page, of course everybody's flocking because they're like intimacy hai. She'll talk about sex. I do talk about it,
Right.
but my agenda is not how to teach you how to do it.
Hmm.
My agenda is how to create that wholesome space with the right intent, even if it's a one night stand
Hmm.
or if it's a long term relationship.
Hmm.
How do you connect your five senses with someone?
Right.
Some people are still seeking validation in their space.
Hmm.
They think, oh, I did so well, but that other person didn't give them validation.
Validation.
Khatam, na? How to communicate with your partners in bed in whatever way possible. I'm not judging anybody. आपको porn देखना है, balance में देखो. मैं वो भी मना नहीं कर रही.
Hmm.
I understand it, and I'm nobody to say yes or no. Sorry, that's not
Right.
what I meant. But I'm saying I think it's okay when everything is done in balance, where it does
Exactly.
not impact the physical intimacy space when
Right.
you're in the sexual act.
Right.
So how to do that? Because what people are today doing, sexual intimacy has become a 10-step porn movie.
True.
क्योंकि वहीं से देख के सीख
Expectation
रहे
comes
हैं,
from there.
वहीं देख के सीख
Right.
रहे हैं. अब but वो feeling आएगी कैसे यहाँ?
नहीं आएगी.
So how to disconnect from that?
आपके एक आंसर से ना I feel do you think the in our country the people who are molesting girls or people who are molesting boys, the rapes happening in our country, is it because of this reason also that there
Yes,
is lack
curiosity. Yes.
of curiosity, right? Unfortunately,
And can you believe it? When these massive rape cases happen,
hmm,
you see these women from brothels and prostitutes.
right.
They actually come up and say, "Guys, हम हैं."
हम हैं, आप क्यों वो कर रहे हो, right?
It's so heartbreaking. I don't know if it's right or wrong. I'm still confused, honest to God, on the societal level, on a human level.
Hmm,
As a woman, I'm still confused if it's good or not good. It is so sad out there. And it's the biggest selling industry.
hmm,
Porn, prostitution. It's top 3 in the world today. The biggest selling industry. किसको आप चुप कराओगे? आप खुद से बात कर सकते हो. आप दूसरों को चुप नहीं करा सकते. You can control yourself with awareness. Okay, this is not good. This is not good.
No, the other day I was having
Sorry,
a
I got
conversation.
breathless even talking
No,
about
no,
this
definitely.
conversation. It's so heavy.
No, it's actually heavy. And couple of days back only, we touched a topic on this. I and my younger brother and the team were sitting. So we were like, "Hey, I want to meet a rapist once, and I want to ask, तूने ये क्यों किया है और तेरे दिमाग में ये आया कैसे? मतलब, how can I don't know how can you force a girl to have sex? What pleasure it gave you in having that 2-minute sex with that girl? I don't understand that where it is coming from. People are raping dogs.
I saw
People are raping dogs. How? Matlab,
penises need to be cut off.
I'm.
The problem
it is
is, you know what?
sorry
The problem,
situation.
no,
yaar.
the
Very
problem
sorry
is with the
situation.
system of the country, where the right steps are not taken. उनको छोड़ देते हैं बार बार, बेल पे छोड़ दिया या 2 साल बाद छोड़ दिया. अंदर भी मेंटल हेल्थ की थोड़ी तैयारियां हो रही है.
नहीं.
You think they have mental health inside the prisons to
No,
sort?
no.
So they are coming back with more anger. The problem is the country's law systems, dude. It's shit. आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो beyond a point. हम बैठ के मार्च कर सकते हैं, कैंडल मार्चेस और कुछ नहीं होना है. Sorry, and I say this with love, guys, but I don't see this happening until you work on yourself with awareness that I will behave a certain way. Forget about others. खुद का पहले सोच लो आप. मैं तो ये कह रही हूँ. Think about, you know, make you your focus. That is self-love.
Right.
That I want to do better. And if everybody starts doing that एक एक करके, imagine the impact it'll have. It'll have an impact at a country level. Because it starts from us, right? We all say that all the time.
Definitely.
तो पहले हम खुद को सॉर्ट करें. उनका आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. That's my
For
take.
sure. And with this, I want to give you the last gyan to the people in terms of the self-love. Anything you want to say about self-love to the viewers who are watching this, and then we'll end this podcast with a very positive note.
Okay, so I'll make it very quick. I started as a coach for relationship and intimacy. तब self-love नहीं था चीनू. Because I had already started working on it and मेरा आ गया था काफी हद तक वापस. I had understood my mistakes. But when I went on this journey and I started coaching after the first 2-3 months is when I realized, oh shit, they're missing self-love. Oh shit, she's missing, oh he's missing self-love. And as soon as I started creating a story around self-love empowerment, क्या होता है self-love? Self-love is taking care of yourself, loving yourself. You are worthy enough. Give yourself validations. तो आप भागना बंद कर दोगे ना बाहर.
Right.
Self-love is just, I'm speechless about self-love because it's you.
How can one person, any one tip in a day-to-day life a person should do in
So there's a 10, just 10 बार बोलो. I'll actually do it, okay? Sit cross-legged with your hands wherever. Don't treat it as a meditation. Just keep your eyes open. You don't even need to close your eyes. So it's not like some weird meditation we're doing. Just tell yourself, yeah, mirror ke samne, I am love. Breathe in. I am love. You know, when I started doing this, Chino, first 2 months my body rejected, physical body rejected it. My nervous system didn't believe it because I didn't love myself.
True.
I give this training to my clients, and even I put a reel on Instagram, and so many of my followers have done it. And oh my God, you should see the responses.
Wow.
Please do this I am love meditation. It's
For
awesome.
sure. अगर आप भी ये देख रहे हो तो yes, you are love. You need to say it to yourself.
You are love.
You need to say it to yourself. And with this, we'll formally end this conversation of the CSR Talks with Chinu Kawatra with all love, because we don't believe in hatred. We only want to give love. We want to get the love.
No judgments.
No judgments. कौन है जजमेंट करने के लिए यार? कौन है? अकेले पैदा हुए हो, अकेले जाओगे.
पर लोगों ने किया है लोगों को जज ना चीनू, जिसके कारण उनका सेल्फ लव खोया है. They have felt a lack somewhere in themselves.
So whenever, पहले तो आपको तो coaches की जरूरत ना हो. We pray that if you need in your life, and I suppose everyone today is needing that coach, that friendly coach in their life. So please get in touch with me, Shruti, anytime. She can have a good conversation with you. She's certified someone. She's not just a experience. Got up and became a coach. And she's a certified coach. And go to the certified coach. Please, I request, because that's how you will be better in your life. जैसे कि हम एक कॉलेज में जाते हैं ऑफिशियल टीचर्स से पढ़ने के लिए, या उनकी डिग्रीज देखते हैं, हम कॉलेज के एफ्लुएंट देखते हैं, हम स्टॉक मार्केट में आप इन्वेस्ट करते हो तो बैकग्राउंड देखते हो कंपनी का, और वैसे ही अगर आप किसी कोच के पास जा रहे हो तो सी देयर बैकग्राउंड ऑल्सो, चेक देयर बैकग्राउंड, लेट देम आस्क देम क्वेश्चंस कि whether they know this or not, this or that. So tab you will be able to understand if that person is right for you or not. So this is Chinu Kawatra signing off from the CSR Talks with Chinu Kawatra. Thank you so much, Shruti, for being here. You
Thank
have
you.
been an amazing personality to me since a year or so. Now I'm sure the people who
And
are
you to
watching
me,
us.
I have also seen your work, Chino. What
Thank
you're
you.
doing is not a small thing.
Thank
So
you.
it's an honor. I swear, I'm not just saying this. It's an honor for me to be here.
Thank
I
you.
hope
Thank
you
you.
know that.
Thank you so much, Shruti.
Smile
Uh,
तो करके thank you बोलो.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
Shruti. And thank you for watching this. पसंद आया तो शेयर कर दो. पता नहीं लाइक कमेंट सब्सक्राइब करोगे कि नहीं, बट शेयर जरूर करना, बिकॉज योर मेंटल हेल्थ इज इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड योर पीपल्स मेंटल हेल्थ इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो टेक केयर. जय हिंद.